In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Zoho Desk. Start by opening Slack and make sure you are already logged in. Once the page loads, you should be on your main dashboard, where you can see the workspace area and the usual navigation options. Now look toward the top right corner and click the gear icon labeled Setup. This opens the Setup area, where Zoho Desk keeps its configuration options. In the left sidebar, scroll down until you reach the Integration section. Under Integrations, click Marketplace. When the Marketplace page opens, move to the search bar near the top right and type Slack. Give the page a moment to show the matching results, then click the Slack for Zoho Desk card. On the Slack for Zoho Desk page, go to the top right and click the orange Activate button. A dialog appears asking you to agree before installing. Tick the agreement checkbox, then click Accept and Install. If the button only says Install, click Install instead. If Zoho Desk asks you to choose a portal, select the portal you want to connect, then click Install again to confirm. You should now be on the Slack integration page. At the top of this page, find the Slack toggle and switch it to Enabled. A Slack pop-up opens. In that pop-up, click into the Workspace URL field and enter your Workspace URL. Type it carefully in the format of your workspace name, .slack.com. After the workspace address is entered, click Continue. If Slack asks you to sign in, complete the sign-in process using your Slack account. After that, Slack shows the permissions page. Look for the section that asks, "Where should Zoho Desk post?" Click the channel drop-down under that question, then choose the channel where you want ticket alerts to appear. After selecting the channel, click Allow. The pop-up closes, and your Slack workspace now appears as a card under the Your Slack Workspaces tab. Click the Workspace card to open its settings page. If you want to use a different destination channel, click the blue Change link next to the current channel name. Then pick another channel from the list. In this version, all departments post to one single Slack channel, so there is no separate channel mapping for each department. Now, move to the Slack notifications list in the left column. Turn on each event you want Zoho Desk to send into Slack. You can enable Ticket Created, Ticket Status Modified, Comment added to a ticket, Ticket Assigned, Blueprint Updates, Ticket Escalation Alerts, Ticket Moved, Ticket Reopened, Ticket Closed, Happiness Rating Received, and Direct Messages. Each toggle saves automatically, so there is no Save button to click after choosing the notification events. Now switch over to Slack and open the connected channel. This channel will start receiving ticket alerts based on the notification toggles you enabled. You can also use Slack commands in any channel where the Zoho Desk app has been added, including /ticket, /overdue, /due today, /pending tickets, and /Zoho Desk stats. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Once everything is connected, go back and check your account area to confirm the integration appears there. Verify that the Slack workspace is listed, confirm the selected channel is correct, and check that the notification events you need are still switched on. That is the full Slack and Zoho Desk integration setup. Congratulations, your Slack workspace is now connected to Zoho Desk.